Welcome back to Third Phase of Moon. Blake Cousins here. We got a special report for you today. A lot of UFO sightings have been submitted to us right to our email. It's in the description. We've got a lot of UFO videos for you. So let's just roll it. Take a look at this, guys. Incredible stuff. So what's going on here? Again, we have the same phenomenon in regards to volcanoes and the attraction to UFOs. It seems to me that the South American region with its volcanic activity is a magnet for UFO sightings. These webcams that have their cameras on the volcano 24/7 are capturing things that are unexplained, and we're looking at one right now. It defies any kind of conventional aircraft. It's not a drone, in my opinion. Whatever it is, it seems almost like a paranormal event, maybe an organic biological being that harnesses the energy off the volcano. Guys, what's your thoughts here? The activity in regards to these UFO sightings are on the rise, and whatever this object is something that needs to be seen, and I'm so glad we're sharing it right now. This is extraordinary. Whatever this orb is seems to have some kind of intelligence behind it. It has a rhyme and reason. I don't think this is any kind of like natural phenomenon. In my opinion, what we're looking at is something with intelligence. And over again, we're seeing the evidence coming in from the volcanic activity in the South American region. It's a hot spot. Guys, I want to get your opinions on this incredible sighting in the live premiere right now. So here we go again. We've been seeing these UFO videos of balls of light next to these massive volcanoes, these active volcanoes that we see around the planet. We had the same experience in Hawaii during these recent eruptions. People have called us and they say, we've been seeing lights flying around the Volcano National Park. What is this? Some people might say it could be just ball lightning, maybe due to the fact of the energy and the ground shaking, creating these static balls of light. Again, this is a phenomenon, and is this what we're seeing in Southern America? These active volcanoes, these lights that just kind of erupt out of the caldera itself. I'm thinking something different. I'm thinking that there's an attraction with UFOs and these powerful giants, these active volcanic mountains of power. Is this what they're looking for? The UFOs actually coming down to try to tap a little bit of their energy to traverse our solar system or even the galaxy. So we got that video. Guys, I want to get your opinion in the live premiere. What the heck's going on in our skies? Let me tell you, the UFO sightings are on the rise, and we've got a lot of UFO sightings to share with you tonight. So let's roll the next video right now. Watch this, everybody. Commercial airlines and UFOs, there's something going on. Recently, we've had, again, the jetpack man. I don't think this is the jetpack man, but whatever this object is, it seems to zoom by the commercial airliner at incredible speeds. What is it? Is it a UAP or a UFO? It's hard to say. We're calling it a meta propulsion vehicle, a MPV. That's kind of how we're describing some of these craft. Because in our opinion, right here at Third Phase of Moon, we believe that there is a private corporation that has this technology within their assets. When we hear from the Pentagon and military officials and talking heads, they continue to say that we do not have these kind of high performance vehicles. They're doing things that are otherworldly. Well, in my opinion, we've had this technology for over 75 years. When are they going to give it up? They've reverse engineered the tech, in my opinion, and they're keeping it secret in a private corporation. The government's pretty smart. They're not going to be doing these experimental aircraft with extraterrestrial technology within a government agency, because we could request a FOIA act and get the information that we want. So now they're hiding it in a private corporation, maybe like a Lockheed Skunk Works, where they're privately building these incredible drones that could perform maneuvers that run circles around our FAA pilots. Right now, it still remains a mystery, but whatever this object is in close proximity to this airliner remains a mystery. The Air Force and Navy have now been told that if a pilot sees something crazy in the sky, report it. But in regards to the FAA pilots, they're still kind of laying low on their sightings. They really don't want to go public for ridicule reasons. They're told to go to Bigelow Aerospace. He's taking all the reports. The FAA doesn't want to have anything to do with it. Maybe the narratives change, because now we're hearing a little bit more activity from our commercial airline pilots. They're reporting the jetpack man over LAX. Again, whatever this object is, it's very close in proximity to this commercial airliner. In my opinion, it's a little threatening. Let's find out all together what this could be. I'm wanting your opinions in this live premiere on what you think it is. Here we go again. People are capturing UFOs at 30,000 feet from commercial airliners, and this one's a good one. You can see this ball of light just streaking across the sky at tremendous speeds. Some people might even say this looks something like the Go Fast captured by our FAA pilots. Again, what is a phenomenon happening here? You can see this thing's rather small. It's not conventional. You don't see any wings. It's moving at this horizontal motion, and it seems to know where it's going. It has kind of this self-awareness. Again, what is the phenomenon happening in the skies next to commercial airliners and our military FAA pilots? It seems like they're not hiding anymore. The UFO presence seems to be more active. It's happening almost on a daily basis. Right here at Third Phase of Moon, we're waking up and we're seeing active emails of people saying that they've seen extraordinary UFOs in the skies as they fly in our commercial airliners. What's going on, guys? If you're up there and if you see something in the skies while you're flying a plane, contact us right here at Third Phase. The videos are incredible. Let me tell you, it seems that they're not hiding anymore. The people are shooting them. They got the high-res HD cameras on their cell phones, and let me tell you, it's incredible. So we're going to share them to you as fast as possible. But again, we got even more videos for you, so I want to share this with you right now. Take a look at this, everybody. Now we're looking at this bizarre UFO over South America, representing some kind of symbol, a biblical reference as the cross. I like the way the person's shooting this. He zooms up to the craft itself and then kind of zooms back so we get a perspective on the distance, on how high this craft is. In my opinion, it's pretty high up there. It's probably over 20 feet in length, maybe about 10-15 feet in its width, and it's very stable. It's not oscillating or undulating. It's like it's rigid. If it were a balloon, it would be having these indicators of a wobble. Again, we're not seeing that. Is this some kind of craft that is meant to give a symbolic feel to it? Some kind of mind psychops? Not sure, but whatever it is very bizarre, and it has this metallic feature to it. We don't see anything tethering it down. There's no strings attached. It's not a kite. It's not a drone. Is it one of ours, or is it something extraterrestrial in nature, or possibly something from a hidden civilization that has yet to reveal itself to the public, that's existed on planet Earth for millions of years? Whatever the case is, we don't know what it is, but I'd appreciate, again, your opinions in the live premiere right now. This is an interesting capture. We see this symbolic shape floating in the sky, a cross. Was this made to kind of create this mass hoax, some sort of hysteria of maybe like a second coming? Again, you can see it up there, and it seems rather big. This wasn't an easy feat to pull off. Is this a prop that was built to kind of have the people get incited about what they're seeing in the sky? I'm not sure. It is a good capture. You can see that this isn't CGI. Whatever's this person's filming is actually there. So we could rule out any special effects or CGI. What we're seeing is actually there in the sky. Now, to say, is it a balloon? Well, that's a possibility. Again, we're looking at it and you can see that the sun's hitting it. It's actually glinting, and the person seems to get a pretty good focus of what this is. We're putting it up on Third Phase of Moon, and that's why we're here, and we're going to let you decide on what's really going on with this capture. We want to thank everybody for joining us right here at Third Phase of Moon. If it wasn't for you submitting the UFO videos, Third Phase of Moon wouldn't be here. So if you capture something incredible in the sky, submit it to us right here. My email is in the description. Upload your video to YouTube, copy paste that link to my email. We'll share your video if it's good enough. Right here at Third Phase of Moon, Blake Cousins. We'll see ya next time.